Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts! I'm so excited to share this easy and affordable project, creating your own unique picture holders using simple nails. That's right, nails! Forget about expensive frames or complicated gallery walls. With just a few supplies and a little creativity, you can transform any blank wall into a captivating display of your favorite memories. Whether you love a rustic farmhouse vibe, a sleek modern aesthetic, or something in between, these DIY nail picture holders can be customized to match your personal style. And the best part? They're incredibly renter-friendly, leaving minimal marks on your walls. So, let's gather our supplies and get hammering. Before we dive into the fun part, let's make sure we have everything we need. Here's a list of essential supplies. Hammer. Choose a weight and size that feels comfortable for you. Nails. Select nails in a finish that complements your style, like silver, brass, or black. Consider the weight of your pictures when choosing nail size. Measuring tape. This will ensure your design is straight and balanced. Pencil lightly mark your wall for nail placement. Level optional, but helpful for keeping lines straight. Pictures. Gather your favorite photos, prints, or artwork. Optional supplies for customization. Paint. Add a pop of color to your nails. Washi tape. Create fun patterns or labels around your nails. String hang pictures from nails for a whimsical touch. Decorative clips. Secure your pictures with style. With your supplies ready, let's unleash our creativity and dive into the world of DIY design. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, there's something incredibly satisfying about creating something with your own hands. Today, we're going to explore a variety of picture frame layouts that can transform any space in your home and explore some design possibilities. The first step is to brainstorm and sketch out your ideas. This helps in visualizing the final look and ensures that you have a clear plan before you start hammering nails into the wall. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Remember, these are just starting points. Feel free to tweak and modify them to suit your personal style and the space you're working with. Straight line. This classic layout is perfect for hallways or above furniture. Use your measuring tape and pencil to mark equal distances for a clean and balanced look. This method is timeless and works well in both modern and traditional settings. It's all about precision and symmetry, creating a harmonious flow in your space. Scattered art. Embrace an eclectic vibe with a scattered arrangement. Play with different picture sizes and orientations for a dynamic display. This layout is perfect for those who love a bit of chaos and creativity. It allows you to showcase a variety of art pieces and photographs in a way that feels spontaneous and lively. Grid formation. Create a modern and organized feel with a grid layout. Use your level to ensure straight lines and even spacing. This method is ideal for creating a gallery wall that looks professional and polished. It's great for displaying a series of related images or artworks, giving your space a cohesive and curated look. String hanging. Add a touch of whimsy by hanging pictures from nails with string or twine. This works beautifully for creating a cascading effect or showcasing a collection of Polaroids. It's a fun and informal way to display your favorite memories, perfect for a bedroom or a cozy corner in your living room. Shape outlines. Think outside the box, or rather, inside the shape. Use nails to outline hearts, stars, or any shape you desire, then hang your pictures within the outline. This creative approach adds a personal touch to your decor and can be a great conversation starter. It's perfect for kids' rooms or any space where you want to add a bit of fun and personality. Remember, these are just a few ideas to spark your imagination. Feel free to experiment and create a design that reflects your unique personality. The beauty of DIY is that there are no strict rules. It's all about expressing yourself and making your space truly your own. So grab your tools, let your creativity flow, and have fun with it. Before we start hammering, let's give our walls a little TLC. This will ensure our nails go in smoothly and our pictures hang beautifully. First, clean the surface. Gently wipe down your wall with a damp cloth to remove any dust or cobwebs. Allow it to dry completely before moving on. Next, measure and mark. Using your measuring tape and pencil, lightly mark the desired locations for your nails based on your chosen design. Double-check alignment. Before hammering, take a step back and double-check the alignment of your markings. A level can be helpful for ensuring straight lines. Now, with our walls prepped and our design finalized, let's move on to the exciting part: hammering. Section 5. Hammer time, securing your style, one nail at a time. Welcome to this exciting journey where we transform simple nails into the backbone of your stylish home decor. Ready to unleash your inner DIYer? Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete novice, this guide will help you master the art of hammering nails with confidence and precision. Hammering nails may seem intimidating, but with a little practice and these simple steps, you'll be a pro in no time. First, start straight. A straight start ensures that your nail goes in smoothly and holds firmly. Position your nail on the marked spot, holding it steady between your thumb and forefinger. Make sure your fingers are clear of the hammer's path. Next, tap lightly. Gently tap the nail head with your hammer a few times to set it in place. This initial tapping helps to secure the nail without bending it. Once the nail is secure, increase the force of your swings, keeping your eye on the nail head. Consistent, controlled swings will drive the nail in straight and true. If needed, slightly angle your hammer as you hammer to help the nail penetrate the wall straight. This technique is especially useful for harder surfaces. And remember, stop before flush. This pause allows you to assess the nail's position and make any necessary adjustments. Don't hammer the nail completely flush with the wall. This small gap is crucial for hanging items securely. Leave a small gap for hanging your pictures. This gap ensures that your frames or decorations hang properly and stay in place. And remember, safety first. Always wear protective eyewear to shield your eyes from any flying debris. Wear protective eyewear and be mindful of your fingers while hammering. Safety is paramount, so take your time and ensure you're working in a safe environment. Section 6. Picture hanging. Show off your memories with flair. Now for the most rewarding part, hanging your precious pictures. Here are a few methods to choose from. Rest directly. For lightweight pictures, simply rest the bottom edge of the picture frame directly on the nail head. Use clips. Add a touch of style with decorative clips. Simply clip the top edge of your picture and hang it from the nail. String it up. Create a charming look by attaching string or twine to your pictures and hanging them from the nails. Layered look. For a more dynamic display, experiment with layering pictures. Hang smaller pictures in front of larger ones, using nails at different heights. Play around with different hanging methods and arrangements until you achieve a look you love. Section 7. Personalize your display. Make it uniquely yours. Now that your pictures are beautifully displayed, let's add some personal touches. Personalizing your space is all about infusing it with elements that reflect your personality and style. It's these little details that make a house feel like a home. Here are a few ideas to make your creation shine. Think of it as an opportunity to showcase your creativity and make your space truly yours. Paint your nails. Give your nails a pop of color with acrylic paint. This not only adds a fun element to your look, but also ties in with the overall aesthetic of your decor. Choose hues that complement your pictures or match your decor. Coordinating colors can create a harmonious and visually appealing environment. Washi tape. Fun. Wrap colorful washi tape around the base of your nails for a playful touch. Washi tape is versatile and comes in various patterns and colors, making it perfect for adding a unique flair. You can even use washi tape to create labels or captions beneath your pictures. This adds a personal touch and can help tell the story behind each photo. String lights. For a magical ambiance, drape string lights around your nails and picture. String lights can transform any space into a cozy, inviting haven. This creates a warm and inviting glow, perfect for cozy evenings. The soft lighting can enhance the mood and make your space feel more intimate. Add more decor. Don't be afraid to get creative. Think outside the box and incorporate elements that you love. Incorporate small plants, dried flowers, or other decorative elements around your pictures for added dimension and personality. These natural elements can bring life and vibrancy to your display. Remember, this is your chance to let your creativity run wild. There are no rules when it comes to personalizing your space. Have fun experimenting with different materials and techniques to make your display truly unique. The goal is to create a space that feels like a true reflection of you. Section 8. The big reveal and more styling tips. Step back and admire your handiwork. You've transformed a simple wall into a personalized gallery of your favorite memories. Here are a few final styling tips to keep in mind. Asterisk balance is key. Aim for a balanced and visually appealing arrangement. Avoid clustering too many pictures in one area. Asterisk embrace white space. Don't be afraid to leave some breathing room between your pictures. White space allows the eye to rest and appreciate each individual piece. Asterisk seasonal updates. Keep your display fresh and exciting by swapping out your pictures seasonally. Showcase vacation photos in the summer, family gatherings in the fall, and so on. Remember, your DIY nail picture holder is a work in progress. Feel free to rearrange, add to, or change up your display whenever you feel inspired. Section 9. Conclusion. Your walls, your story. Congratulations on creating your very own DIY nail picture holder. Not only is it budget-friendly and stylish, but it's also a testament to your creativity and personality. Each picture tells a story, and now those stories are beautifully displayed on your walls for all to enjoy. So gather your supplies, unleash your imagination, and let your walls become a reflection of your unique journey.